Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a breakdown of gold from the weekly all the way to an entry time frame. Let's get started. First of all, if you open up TradingView in the top left corner, search for gold XAUUSD and then click on the broker that you trade with. So mine is IC Markets. Once you've opened that up, if you go into the weekly time frame, you want to mark your support and resistance. So why is this support? This is where price changes from bearish to bullish. Look, a red candle to a green candle. This is where it's formed a higher low. This is a point of reaction. Here is another point of reaction where price has gone from bullish to potentially bearish, from a green candle to a red candle, potentially forming a higher high. So that's why we mark these two levels. Price has to move between support and resistance. So on the weekly time frame, I know from here, potentially, because it's at all-time highs, we don't know, it could go here, and then once price is here, it can go there. Once price there, it's going to go down. So that's how it works. Price always moving between support and resistance. That's how we capitalize on the entries and the trades that we take. So then you go into the daily time frame. So here is where every candle represents one day, 24 hours. So you want to do the same thing again. Go over here, get your rectangle tool. I can clearly see this area here is a support. You can see that it's formed a higher low and price has changed from bearish to bullish. Bearish to bullish, a red candle to a green candle, so we can use that as support. Remember, with technical analysis, you're always looking at the left. Price tends to repeat its history and its behavior. And as you can see, we've got a daily resistance here. Price changes from bullish to bearish. And it's definitely bearish now because, as you can see, price has breached the previous higher low. Price is going down to this level here. You're then going to the H4 time frame. You want to repeat the process again. So I can clearly see resistances here. You can have your zones any color you want. I'll just stick to these because I'm used to them. And you had potentially a level here. It's breached that. Where's the next support? You've got one here. So remember, you always look to the left to see where your levels are. So price can go to this level here. So because it's breached this one, I'll remove this. I can clearly see this is a support region. So I can expect price to go to this level here. There's your support and resistance on the H4 time frame. We then go to a H1 time frame, which is your intraday trading time frame. You then go into the Fibonacci retracement tool. You get it from the, in this case, from the lower high to the lower low. So because we're looking at the previous price action, I would take it from here. This is or even here actually. This is the most recent lower high to the most recent lower low. So when the day started, this would have been my levels. So this is what I usually do the night before, but I just didn't have a chance. So this would be my support and resistance, and I know if price breaches this, we're look for a sell. If price doesn't breach it, so if it retraces and goes up, then we can look for a buy in this region. But if it breaches it and retests it, making the support as resistance, and it can go down to the 61% Fibonacci. And as you can see, price has done exactly that. So this is where technical analysis helps you analyze the market and predict where price is going. I knew price, if it breaches it, it would potentially retest it. This is TP1. This is TP2. And look what's happened. You got a massive bearish candle. And during the Asian session, price went exactly to this region here. Look at that. And now I know from here it's going to potentially retrace back up. But I wouldn't trade it. I only trade support, resistance. That's it. So I'm going to leave that as it is, guys. There is no trade at the moment. There was during the Asian session. I only trade London session between 9 to 5, 8 to 4. That's it. So because price has reached the 61 fib, what you could do is you can update your Fibonacci from here to drag it down. This is your new H1 level. If price breaches this lower high, there's a buy trade. So right now there's a potential buy trade because it's breached it. So if we are interested in this candle, let's say if I'm going to take a live trade with you, highlight the candle on H1, go into the M15 time frame and enter on this candle here. Or what I would do, to be honest, I'm going to monitor this trade now because I am interested. So if I'm going to take a trade on this, I can expect it to breach it, which it will. I'll retest it and then it can go up. So I'm looking for a retest. I'm looking for the pullback. If I don't get the pullback, it's going to continue to go up, maybe retrace and go down, or it could just go up and not retrace at all. But to be honest with you, to confirm it is going to make a high low, I'd wait for price to breach it, go retest this level here, which is just a reference line, which shows that if price breaches it, it's now bullish. It's going to go up because it's breached the previous lower high. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that session. I'm just going to monitor how it goes now, because M15, I'm going to wait for the next candlestick to be like that and retest it. So I'm looking for a red candle, and then when it's green from here, then I'll enter it here and I'll let price go all the way there. So I'll show you my risk management if I take this trade in the next 10-20 minutes. My stop loss would be just below and my TP would be there. The risk to reward is 7. So yeah, let's just see how it goes. But this is interesting the way it is moving at the moment. If I go into the M5, you can see massive bullish candle, so I could actually enter right now, but I'd rather wait for it to retest. So I hope you enjoyed that session, guys. Just a breakdown of how to trade gold. Like, share and subscribe.